So this lesson is for the students who did not attend the meeting. Okay, so this one is the parrot. Okay, so how to draw a parrot. So step by step. Okay, so let's draw first the proportions, no? Let's draw first the peak. Then curved line. Okay. When you draw, do not rush, ha? Always do not rush. Then always double check your drawing. Okay, double check your drawing, the proportions. So right now let's draw the wing. Okay, right here. And the tail. Okay, so right now let's add lines. Okay, right here. Let's add detail. Okay, and right here, let's add curved lines. One. Okay. So right now, let's draw the eye. Okay, big eye. Then circle. Circle. Then another small circle right here. Okay, so that's it. Right now, let's draw the branches. The branch. Okay. Tapos dito. Yan. Let's add a leaf. Okay. So right now let's use watercolor. Okay, so right now I will use watercolor now. So I have watercolor palette, and 1 cup of water. 1 cup of water. Then I have red, black, yellow, and blue. Okay, so if you use If you want to use watercolor, dip your brush into water. So, for example, when teacher says 6 drops of water, okay, 6 drops. So, ganito ang pag-drop ng water, ha? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so 6 drops of water for color red. So red. Okay, circular, ha? Circular. Ayan. Okay, so 6 drops of water for color red. Okay, plus for color blue, 3 drops of water now for color blue. Like this. Okay, 3 drops lang sa blue. Okay. Sa ano naman, sa yellow, for yellow, um, 2 drops. 2 drops. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, wait lang, gawa ko bago. May kulay green. Okay, 2 drops only for yellow. Okay, 2 drops for yellow. So like this. 1 or 3. Okay, 3 drops. 3. Okay, so yun, yellow. Okay, so let's paint the parrot. Right now, let's paint the color red first, no? The body facing red. So paint slowly and do not rush. Okay, paint slowly and do not rush, ha? Okay. So right now, let's use yellow. Okay, yellow naman dito. Then color blue. Let's go. Okay, paint slowly, do not rush, do not rush. Okay, then yellow on the peak. That's one yellow. Okay, then black, the eye. Okay, then let's add brown. Okay, let's add brown right here. Okay, for color brown, one drop of water lang ha, one drop of water. Okay, dip your brush into water, and then one drop. So for the leaf, okay, color green. So let's paint the background by using yellow. So that's it. Yeah. So paint slowly and do not rush.